Thank you, Jing. Let's now go to Pia Bonalo. She's at a pastry shop in Marikina. Good morning, Pia.
Hi, good morning, Amelin. Like you said, I am here in Marikina where the spread in front of me is reminding me of my Lola's cooking. Here in Marikina, you could see this. I am here in Kina Restaurant and Pastry Shop with owner Alvin Buenaventura to tell us all about it. Hi, good morning, Alvin.
Hello, good morning.
Can you tell me bakit pala Kina ang pangalan ng restaurant?
We got it from the old name of Marikina, which is Mari and spelled Quina. Since we are all from Marikina, my parents, and we all lived in Marikina, and our businesses are in Marikina, so we decided to name it as Kina.
Here in San Roque, kasi me also, my family comes from San Roque, my father's side. And growing up, ito din talaga, parang mahilig kumain ang mga taga San Roque, ano?
Mahilig nga, yeah.
Can you tell me about your memories from childhood? Kasi alam ko, pag fiesta talagang sagana sa pagkain.
Like, when fiesta comes, every house meron dish na yung menudo with pickles, and kaya tinawag namin na wok na toy dahil every time na pupuntahan mo yung house, it's pickles, pork pickles, wag na toy, iba na lang, gano'n.
So that's pala locally dito sa Marikina because I
Yes.
grew up also familiar with that dish, parang menudo with pickles.
Yes.
But aside from that, we also have the international dishes. Sige, umpisahan natin dito yung mga food that you offer.
Yes.
Ano ba yung mga international dishes that you have here in Kina?
We have sandwiches and pasta. We have 100% Angus burger. We have our fish and chips. We have our baby back ribs and the chicken cordon bleu.
Looking at it, ang generous ng servings mo, like the fish and chips, ang lalaki ng slabs, even the burger, and lalo na itong ribs, that's really big servings. Can you give me a little bit ng price range? Kasi mukhang mahal yung dishes mo.
Our price range is from 130 pesos to 320 pesos. Ito na yung pinakamahal sa amin na dish.
For the ribs, ito, a big
Yeah.
slab of baby back ribs, that's already 320 pesos.
And
o,
it's
diba?
fall off the bone. Yeah.
Wow! I can't wait to try that one. And then aside from this, of course, like you mentioned, yung mga local delicacies na dishes dito from Marikina. Can we start with this one?
Yeah, this is our chicken pork adobo with a twist of gata. And this is what we call the wok na toy, the pork pickles.
Ito, I can't wait. Sorry, I can't stop myself kasi this one talaga, I grew up really eating this one all the time. I just knew it as menudo. And like you said, because ano pa ibang flavor? Because the usual menudo, pork lang siya and sauce, di ba? May iba pa bang halo ito?
Yeah, we have sausages, we have bell peppers. Yeah.
There you go. Ito natikman ko. It's a distinct talaga, like just like my nanay's menudo. It's not the usual menudo na medyo ano lang siya, sweet and sour. Meron siyang konting tart because of from the pickles.
Yeah.
Ang sarap. Ako hindi ako mag-wak na toy. So go pa sa akin yan, yung wak na toy na yan. And then this one, can you tell me
This is
about this one?
what we call pininyahang manok. It's a chicken with a creamy pineapple sauce.
And then the usual pininyahan manok kasi not that creamy yung sauce. And then
Yes.
if you would notice, you have additional, ano to? What do you have
It's
extra?
chorizo.
So this will add like an extra kind of flavor
Yes,
also.
oo.
Syempre, kain ako ng kain this early. Ayan, super sarap ng pininyahang manok. Wow, okay. And then, tell me about this one also.
This one, the sinigang sa bayabas. It's this one is a beef. We can also have fish or but this time we have the beef.
Beef naman ito. And then, there's kare-kare and
Kare-kare.
fish. And of course, can you tell me about the pastries naman? What kinds of cake do you have here?
Of course, our classic bestseller is the chocolate cake, and then next is the blueberry cheesecake. This one is the red velvet. All our pastries, we cook it here, we bake it here.
So, assured fresh yan.
Yes.
And then, price point naman for the cakes.
For a slice ranging from 70 pesos to 90 pesos.
Wow, everything so affordable. Thank you so much, Alvin.
Thank you.
For those of you who are itching to try to have a taste of local Marikina dishes, do check out Kina here in San Roque, Marikina. Jing, Amelin?
Well, all I can say is yum. Thank you, Pia, for that report.